Sure, 116. Equation of line through point 1 by 2 comma 2, which is a tangent to this parabola and secant to this curve is, so y equal to square root of a, positive version is it, and this parabola से अपने को tangent चाहिए, so like what y equal to mx plus you get the thing. कैसे register 2y is equal to negative x square plus 4, right? Because that's okay, just x square is equal to 4 minus 2y, which is like what, negative 2 times y minus 2 or something. Yes. So क्या हो जाएगा, just y, which is in this case x, is equal to yeah, like just say this times of t, so y t equal to x plus at square. This case x is just this thing, x minus y minus 2, okay, plus at square, which is like a is just 1 upon 2, right? So negative 1 upon 2, like negative 1 upon 2 times t square, right? Okay, which means ki yeah, this t thing is just m itself, so just यहाँ पे m आ जाएगा, and then this is like 1 upon 2 m squared. So, right, what do you get? Y is equal to mx plus 2 plus half m squared. And this should be passing through 1 upon 2 comma 2. And it's a secant to this thing. Open देख लेंगे. So, yeah, it's like y squared plus x squared is equal to 4, but then the positive version only. So, just ये वाला जो रहेगा. Yeah, right. Only this much. Okay, ये क्या है? 1 upon 2 comma 2, just put that in. It's like 2 equal to m upon 2 plus half m squared multiplied by 2, just get 4 into 2 तो गया, just cancel. So यहाँ पे 0 है. M squared plus 2 nothing. Okay, okay, m squared plus m plus 2 equal to 0, right? I guess that's correct. Just 2 over there, of course. I mean, that's with us 2. I guess can say this is correct. Yeah, like y equal to x plus 2 squared. That's what I did. That's what I did. So फिर क्या? Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, इसके कोई solutions होते नहीं है. So there's like no solution for this thing. What? I did everything correctly, right? अगर इसको tangent चाहिए, then it must be like, so मैंने simplify किया, 2y equal to negative x squared plus 4. So like x squared equal to 4 minus 2y is negative 2 times y minus 2, because yes. So just yt, you know, x equal to, this case my x is y minus 2, and then plus half at squared equal to x plus at squared, right? Well, yeah, not half, it's just at squared, and a is 1 upon 2, so negative 1 upon 2. And then t square, इस केस में t की जगह पे m रखा है अपन ने. This should have worked really. Just क्यों काम नहीं किया ये? Line passing through which is tangent to this parabola. I did the thing. I did the thing. Unless of course m infinity after 0 है, that would make everything complicated. So suppose m 0 है. I'm not sure यही सही थी. I guess yeah. Okay, what if m is 0? If m is 0, then इससे पास हुई line कौन सी होगी? X equal to 1 upon 2. Is that tangent to this thing? Is that tangent to ये चीज? Like जो vertex for tangent रहेगा, what's that going to be? Is this going to be 0, 5 that? Usually कैसा रहता है? X equal to 0, right? इस केस में y equal to 2 रहेगा. Okay, so y equal to 2, मतलब कि right, that's a tangent to this guy, right? Yeah, y equal to 2 is a tangent to this thing. Because in that case m equal to, right, 0, right? Okay, very weird. But इसमें m equal to 0 is not a solution for some reason. When m is, I don't get it, but 2 minus x, that's the thing, just y equal to 2, of course. That's the tangent, right? मतलब ये कर्व ऐसा रहेगा ना, यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे yes. So this should have really worked, but क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा फिर ये? Just 2 over there. Oh shit, ये तो मर चुका है. Okay, that explains it. This is not there, it's just this thing, m square plus m equal to 0, मतलब कि m equal to negative 1 or 0. मतलब कि अपने tangents क्या हो जाएगी? Just either y equal to 2 or x plus y is kind of constant, just x plus y is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2 is like 3. Oh god. 5 upon 2, right? Yeah, 4 plus 1. Okay, got it. So ये दो tangents अपने y equal to 2 और right. अब ये करना क्या है? Equation of line and secant to this curve. So ये अपना curve है. Radius is 4. नहीं, radius is 2 in fact. radius is 2 and x plus 5 इसका distance क्या है इससे from 0 to 5 upon 2 upon square root of 5 upon square 2 square root of 2 which is square root of 25 upon 8 which is approximately square root of 3 or something और थोड़ा सा बड़ा so just yeah it can never be like 2 because ये 1 point कुछ भी होगा right yeah इसका मतलब क्या हुआ that this is actually inside of it and x plus y है इसके इंटरसेप्ट क्या रहेगा x equal to 5 upon 2 and y equal to okay equal ऐसा करेगा so just somewhere on y equal to x ये इंटरसेप्ट कर रहा है like this I don't know so right we just want secant to this curve okay और क्या है दूसरी लाइन क्या थी y equal to 2 y equal to 2 is a tangent to this curve not secant so वो नहीं चलेगा x plus y equal to 5.2 does work so 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 so a is the answer next question okay next is 117 the following are true number of ways what number of ways of giving away 3 prizes 1 2 3 mathematics in class of n students is n minus 1 n students है 3 prizes है okay I mean, yeah just n times n minus 1 what's the big deal about it so first prize देना है कितने n लोग yeah so a is correct following is true b number of ways of distributing 6 identical balls among 3 identical boxes is 8c2 3 identical balls among 3 identical boxes 8 कैसे आया इसमें it's like oh star bar theorem of course so star bar theorem because of that so that's yeah that's in fact 8c2 because identical balls and shit identical boxes as well अगर ये अलग boxes होते then it would be just 8c2 but this is not correct okay this is not correct for sure distinct box stage ना 3 different boxes then it would be 8c2 यहाँ पे identical boxes है this time to make set of 3 right or something like that so it's not 8c2 instead it's upon 3 factorial वगैरह आने वाला in that case yeah because सारे अपने जो combinations है those happen right 3 factorial times 1 or just 8c2 upon 3 factorial got it 3 different boxes no this is not the thing or is it 8 times 7 times 6 oh just 8c2 is like 8 times 7 upon 2 which is okay that's not the case next question so b and c are wrong number of ways of distributing 3 prizes first in physics mathematics to 30 students is 30 power 3 yeah हर प्राइस के बारे में 30 रहेगा ना okay so d is correct 118 क्योंकि तुम एक बच्चे को तीनों दे सकते हो ना yes this integration is equal to what so 1 upon square root of quadratic क्या था 1 upon square root of quadratic का integration that's just equal to 1 upon square root of a and then you just have natural log of सब कुछ भूल रहा हूँ okay natural log of square root of a x dash guess that was the thing of course because x dash is of what form come on it's like it's the square root of a dash x right okay that is quadratic जैसा हो जाएगा plus square root of quadratic right well yeah yes I believe that was the thing okay so plus some constant whatever इसमें क्या है 1 upon square root of a is where is a is just -1 sort of -1 natural log of so square root of a natural log of so ना assume कि ये चीज जो है sort of a iota right फिर just iota x dash is what is x minus b upon 2a right or plus b upon okay plus b upon 2a and then yeah so इस केस में क्या है just iota and then this thing x plus b upon 2a is 3 upon -2 which is just -3 upon 2 plus square root of quadratic which is just this thing square root of 3x minus x square plus 2 of course this is the thing which is what just so yeah you get the thing it's just oh you can just write like square root of quadratic as x dash ka square or like ax dash ka square oh right I starting to make some sense so ये ऐसा हो जाएगा ना कि right well whatever so इसका एक जगह पे क्या है this is just x minus 3 upon 2 and over here just got this thing okay this is in x coordinate okay got 3x minus x square minus 2 whatever इनको sum कर दो just get what इसका sum क्या just x square minus 3x plus 9 upon 4 I believe right ओके तो इनका सम ये बस मर जाएगा just minus 2 plus 9 upon 4 which is minus 8, just 1 upon 4 over there, right? Exactly. So this is just ये जो angle रहेगा that's what we actually care about because वो r वाली चीज वो I mean r is actually constant, right? So we don't actually care about that. We only care about I think sine inverse of x minus 3 upon 2.114, right? That's what this angle will be with I theta involved. तो वो गया मतलब ये आएगा just theta itself which is sine inverse of x minus 3 upon 2.114 which happens to be what 2x minus 6, right? That's the thing. So sine inverse of x minus 6 or what? Oh shit, ये तो 4 है ना? That's not correct. Sine inverse of like something. Wait, square root of all of. Okay, got it. Add here is just 1 upon 4, but then square root of this guy, which is actually just 1 upon 2. That explains it. So just 2x minus 3. That explains it, right? So sine inverse of 2x minus 3 plus c. So c is correct. और क्या है? But this should have been okay. Tan inverse में क्या क्या डाल रहे हो तुम लोग? x minus 2 upon 2 minus x something. इसके solutions कुछ है क्या? आपको को पता है क्या? 3 upon 2 is not a solution for this thing, is it? No, no, it's not. That's when the minimum value happens, which is definitely not a solution. Unless ये no, it's not a square of x minus 3 upon 2. So that's not correct. Right? No. So B is not correct. B is also not correct. I think this is it. Right? इसमें दो इसमें दिया है. So हाँ. Whatever. Next question. जितना मुझे याद है सबसे ऐसा ही होता है. 119. Now each of the following functions represent identical graphs in xy plane for all x belonging to 2, comma 3. Okay, all x belonging to 2, comma 3. X to make दिया हुआ है, right? Okay, cosine inverse of square root of 3 minus x. Or like cosine y का square is equal to 3 minus x. What x is equal to 3 minus cosine square of y. And this thing is so इसमें oh shit, cosine inverse is a different thing than just this function, right? Okay, square root of 3 minus x, right? Like pi upon 2 minus this. Oh no. Cot inverse and sine inverse. देखिए अपने को identical graphs of the following functions. Maybe ये दोनों काम कर जाए. We just have to see, right? अच्छा, x is belong to 2 to 3. What we can do is just put x is equal to 2 plus h or something, right? So x को replace करो 2 plus x से just get y equal to cosine inverse of I don't know, just 1 minus x sort of, right? Yeah, just 1 minus x. फिर b क्या just y equal to sine inverse of x because right 2 plus x is replaced just sine inverse of x. और अब x goes from 1 to 2, right? Of course. Uh, yeah. So just think about it. Square root of x का square just x will square. Yeah, you get the thing. It's the same thing as that. और ये हमेशा positive रहने वाला है. So it has to be the same. And also you defined it throughout because oh it's not what it's like 0 to 1. Sorry. This is defined everywhere and it's good. So yeah, ये दोनों same graph in fact. A and B are the same functions in fact. Was positive अंदर और क्या है? So सारे सारे first quadrant पे आने वाले in any case, right? Yeah. So this is a y equal to cot inverse of what? Cot inverse 3 minus x का अपन क्या किया? This is square root of 1 minus x upon just x, right? Which is yeah like ये क्या cosine value है? This is our sine value is like cot value, so that also works out. C is correct. सारे first quadrant पे so फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 2 okay. So 2 sin cosine theta sine of 2 theta or something. Then theta is in 0 to pi upon 2, so 2 theta is like in 0 to pi. It's the sine inverse, half of that. Right, that won't work unfortunately because it's make right. Sine inverse of sine of 2 theta. कभी कभी वो okay, we'll have to bring it back or something. So this is not correct. In fact. D is not the same graph. Next question. 120. When is coefficient of x power 4 in the product of this expansion? Because x to the power 5. I think I've seen this. Okay, I don't know. 1 minus x square to the power 5, I guess, and that times of 1 minus x. So you want what? X power 4 का coefficient. तो इसमें x power 4 कैसे आएगा? इसमें square करा लो. So 5c2 negative x square का square हो गया. That's the thing. Just वो तो planned हो जाएगा. So that's the thing for 1. फिर negative x के लिए just want x cube जो कि इसमें आता नहीं है. Yeah. This is it. 5c2 is the coefficient. So A is answer. और क्या है? Summation of negative 1 power r and then oh god 6cr 5c4 minus r, that's the same thing as like 5c 1 plus r something. अच्छा इनका addition क्या है? Okay, just r plus, right, just 4, right? Throughout it's just addition is 4. Okay, I don't understand this thing. Okay, it's like this. You want, oh okay, ये तो यही चीज हो गई. Fine, so just यहाँ पे 6 x power r आएगा, and then for that you are looking for a term in this thing which is just right. So b is also correct. और क्या है? -5c3, no, that's not this thing. Okay, क्या है? और 5c4, no, that's not 5c2. Next question. 121. Given the matrices, okay, the two matrices x y such that xa equal to b and ay equal to the following is true. So xa equal to b matlab ki x is just equal to a inverse b, right? Or like b a inverse, I should say. Okay, cool. So inverse matrices do we really have to figure out? I guess, yeah. Determinant is also not going good. ठीक है, करना ही पड़ेगा ना. सिर्फ फॉलोइंग होल्ड अपने को एक्स और वाई से भी तो ढूंढना ही है, सो जस्ट हैव टू फिगर इट आउट. ओके, देखते क्या होता है. Okay, ठीक है, सब एक्स और yeah, we'll see just figure out x and y. So a देखो बताया what is a inverse going to be. A inverse b, and this is like what? This is just b a inverse. Wait, what? Wait, ये b a inverse है, यहाँ पे a inverse b है, correct? So this is y equal to a inverse b and x is equal to b a inverse. Okay, determinant इतना c में रहेगा, so c is already correct. और कम्यूटेटिव तो कहते नहीं है, so we can't just do that unfortunately. ठीक है, just have to figure out a inverse. So just adjoint निकाल लो, what you get. So पहले तो कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स, right? So इसको स्विच करता हूँ, -1 1, फिर इसको नेगेटिव करके स्विच करो, just 1 and -4. So कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लिया, just -1 1, -4 1. It's our adjoint divided by the determinant of a, which is what? -1, negative is positive, positive 4, and 3. So 1 upon 3 of this guy. That's what x will. Okay, a inverse is just this thing, right? So a inverse is 1/3, -1 1, -4 1. Got it. So if a inverse b निकाल लेते हैं, which is what? Inverse b is y. Okay, so y is just a inverse b, which is what? 1/3. ये matrix is -1, -4 1 1. Yeah, that was the thing. That was correct, right? Because इस पे सब कुछ रहने वाला है. So adjoint was just this thing, I believe. I guess so. वन सेकेंड, बार सेम चीज़ है कि -1 यहाँ पे आएगा, फिर वन आएगा, फिर इनको तुमने नेगेटिव करके स्विच किया, फिर आप स्विच किया, तो फिर इज सेम थिंग, इसका नेगेटिव तुमने ले लिया. या प्रेटी मच दैट्स राइट. ओके, दिस इज करेक्ट. ओके, अपन क्या कर रहे थे? 1/3 ये सब एंड फिर b. सो b इज व्हाट? दिस मैट्रिक्स 1 -1 2 -2, which is 1/3 and then 1 comma 2 goes over. It's like -1 plus 2 is just 1, then -4 plus 2 is just -2. Okay, then ये चीज जाती है just -1, 1 y minus 2 is just -1, and this is a 4 minus 2 which is 2. So y is just this thing, not this. Okay, right, because we just did a inverse b, so that should just be y. Okay, so then what's x going to be? And this is just y, not that. Okay, what's x? X is b a inverse. So यहाँ पे just same चीज, but यहाँ पे उल्टा कर डाला मैंने. -1 -4 1 1 जो भी है, which is what? -1 plus 4 is just 3. Wait, is that correct? It must be, right? Oh shit, it's -2 over there. लगा ही था, जब लगा तो होता ही मेरे से. Just what? 2 and just 2 minus 8, which is -6. Oh, what? Yes, that's supposed to be the thing. Okay, और इसका क्या होगा? Just 1 -1 is like 0, और यहाँ पे just -2 plus 2 is 0 as well. Okay, तो ये चीज which is not this, once again it's 3 -6 and 0 0, फिर उसका 1/3. So that's like saying this 1, negative 2, 0, 0. So that's what x is, right? Like BA inverse. Yeah, okay, got it. Oh shit, अपन ने सब कुछ switch कर डाला. This should not be this thing. It should be 1, 2. यहाँ पे negative 2 आएगा, right? Okay, so this is not correct in fact. Oh, 1, 1 which is still 0 आने वाला है, so it's like 0, 0 over there. But then you've got negative 1 plus 4, which is 3, and then negative 2 plus 8, which is 6. So it's like this. After this, 1/3 is like 1, 2, 0, 0. That's x, right? X is this thing, which is a determinant 0 matrix. That doesn't actually make any sense. Oh, okay. So B का determinant 0 है, right? और हर जगह पे B आ ही रहा है. So just okay. That somehow works out. And then what was y? Y was just 1/3. And this thing. Wait. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, 2. Right. Okay. Okay. अपने करना क्या है? So 3 times of x plus y. It's like okay. So add this 1, negative 1, 2. I think what 4 and 4. Yes. So D is correct at least. So C is correct. D is correct. Right? Yeah. Next question. 192. ABCB non-planar unit vectors are equally inclined to another at acute angle theta. So the following is all true. Okay. Non-planar unit vectors inclined at angle theta to each other. So the following is true. Determinant of ABC का mod is just 10% theta is true. Okay, अब मैंने देखा था नहीं लग रहा है कि ये I don't know. But whatever. इसका अपने को पहले स्क्वायर करना है. Just determinant of ABC का स्क्वायर. That is what this determinant. इसमें पहले तुम्हें a square मिलेगा, which is unit vector से just 1, and then फिर तुम्हें मिलेगा a dot b, it's like cosine theta or something. I'm assuming theta acute angle is like okay, got it. Okay, फिर तुम्हें a dot you need to think just cosine theta once again. फिर यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? A dot b फिर a dot b once wait. फिर यहाँ पे b square just यहाँ पे c square. बाकी हर जगह पे cosine, right? Well, yeah, that's the thing. So अपने को पता है that this matrix x y z जब रहेगा and then तुम्हें नीचे जाना रहता है, right? It's like x फिर यहाँ पे y यहाँ पे z and then यहाँ पे x फिर यहाँ पे y फिर यहाँ पे z. ये जो मैट्रिक्स रहती है इसका डिटरमिनेंट इज जस्ट summation of x cube minus 3xyz. अभी मैंने डिराइव किया था 2 मिनट पे मैंने वीडियो से स्टार्ट होने के पहले. So that's why this thing is what this thing is just x cube is like 1 फिर plus y cube is just cosine cube फिर plus c cube minus 3xy is just minus 3c squared. Because okay, yeah, which is like 2c cube minus 3c squared plus 1. That's what this thing is, which so factorize कर सकते हैं I guess. Okay, which is like 2c cube minus 2c squared minus c squared plus 1, which is like 2c squared common लेंगे just c minus 1 फिर minus of c minus 1 then c plus 1, just c minus 1 times 2c squared minus 1. Got it. Cosine 2 theta times cosine theta minus 1 basically. Ooh, something's not right about this. Was this correct or what? I guess it was correct, right? Okay. So this is the determinant of ABC, and then you actually want square root of this guy, right? Oh shit. Wait, this is the determinant of ABC ka square. So just want. Wait, something's wrong about this, isn't it? Something's wrong about this. यहाँ पे cube तो आ रहा है. Just. I mean, I know this is the thing. This is what is. Let's have. C cube, then the last diagonal is also C cube and minus ये वाला diagonal is C square, then also the C square and then also the C square. Well, yeah, just this thing मतलब this is related to 2C cube minus 3C square plus 1. कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? नहीं, this has to be a thing. Like root of ABC का square is just this thing, which is yes, it's just that. Okay. So 1 plus c का square कैसे आ रहा है? I don't understand. Oh shit, ये थोड़ा God. Okay, ये बहुत गलत होता था. This 2c square minus c minus 1. Okay, that explains it. So you got just c minus 1, फिर इसको is 2c square minus 2c plus c plus, so shit, minus 1, which is like c minus 1, and then you just have 2c plus 1. So just c minus 1 का square and you got 2c plus 1, right? Yeah. उसका square root. So 1 minus c because mod चाहिए अपने को, and then just got square root of 1 plus 2c. Got it. So A looks correct. और क्या है? Element of A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. It's like reciprocal system. I mean, yeah, looks like that at least. So yeah, at this point you know कि reciprocal system is what it is. So it's like inverse of the matrix. So ये अपनी जो matrix है ना ABC वाली matrix, उसका जो inverse रहता है, that is just this matrix which is A dash B dash C dash, जहाँ पे ये अपना अपने reciprocal system से, because ये multiply कर देगा ना, what you get is A vector times उसमें जाएगा, just like वो 0 हो गया, फिर नीचे नीचे 2 0 आएगा, ऊपर एक 1 आएगा, you get the thing, right? So this is the thing. तो इसका जो डिटर्मिनेंट रहेगा बचा these are like row vectors of course. Right. तो ये वही चीज है, except you just don't have that one thing that you should have. बस ये column vectors में क्या है, of course. So this is, अच्छा ये क्या है वैसे? It's the inverse matrix upon the determinant of ABC का power 3, right? Yeah, and M inverse is just 1 upon determinant of ABC. So, क्या चाहिए? 1 upon determinant of ABC की power 4 or something. Yeah. Is that correct? Missing something? Oh, it's this times determinant of ABC की power 3. That explains it. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So फिर just 1 upon x. Okay, got it. This determinant of ABC का square, right? Which is just इसका that's what we got. Just 1 minus c का square and then got, yeah. So just B is correct. और क्या है? That's wrong. Because that is wrong. D. Next question. 123. Okay, if E1, E2 event such that probability of E1 equal to 1/4 probability of E2 given even, okay. Do the thing. E1, E2, universal set. ये अपन हमेशा ही करते हैं ना. But if E1 is what? 1/4, E2 given, E1 is, अच्छा तो E1 की 1/4 है, E2 given, it's like okay, got it. But just this is 1 upon 8. This thing is, it's like 2 upon 8 था, but then you usually just 1 upon 8 over here. That's this area. And then probability of E1 given E2 is 1 upon 4. This is like 4 times of this, just 4 upon 8 completely. It's 3 upon 8 over here, right? Exactly. Okay, E1 E2 are independent. Are these? मतलब वैसे पूरी probability क्या होगी E2 की? Just 1 upon 2 of course, and then E2 inside of E1 is just 1 upon 2 as well. So yes, these are in fact independent. A is correct. Okay, E1 to E2 are exhaustive. Combine करके देखो, just no, 5 upon 8 probability आती है combine, which is not correct. A2 is twice as likely to occur as okay, A2 की probability क्या है? 1 upon 2, इसकी probability क्या है? 1 upon 4. So yes, in fact, E2 is twice as likely to occur. So C is correct. और क्या probability is that of the E1 intersection of E2, E1 E2, okay, are in GP? Well, no. Wait, is it 1 upon 8? फिर यहाँ पे just रहेगा 2 upon 8 because yeah, it's like 4 upon 8. Okay, these are in GP in fact. So D is correct. Next question, 124. Let X for okay. Given ellipse and with and a bifocal conic C has its foci as the same as okay. So the conic passes through 3, 2, then its intersectum maybe. Okay, got it. लंबा होने वाला है, बहुत लंबा होने वाला है. Okay, got it. So it passes through 3, 2. Its intersectum is what? The same focus like center is just at the same thing as that. It's like x square upon, we don't know उसका a, okay, उसका ae square क्या होने वाला है? It's just same thing as just 5. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. Foci are just that. In case ये ellipse है, then उसके वो focus है, and right. In case it's an ellipse, wait. Nothing correct or what? Usually क्या रहता है? Just suppose हमारा x square upon a plus y square upon b conic है, then what do you just have? अच्छा ellipse के लिए क्या होता है? Just a is equal to b plus ae square, right? Which is like a square times e square. Okay, got it. Just ae square, which means like a times 1 minus e square equal to b. For that as well, actually this happens. Got it. So just this, basically this thing, right? B को तुम replace कर सकते हो by a times of b. Okay, that's one thing. Or you can replace. It's like focal length में दी है ना. We don't actually know what a is. It's just f squared basically. Because a is positive in any case. So अपनी जो focal length f squared just 5. तो यहाँ पे b आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे just आ जाएगा b plus 5. And then yeah, one of them has to be positive. At least b plus 5 has to be positive. Or then you can do this thing. Just say कि ये a है and this thing is a minus 5. So a minus 5 can be negative as well. We don't care. Okay, got it. अब मुझे चाहिए क्या है? Right. If the conic C passes through 3, 2, just put that in like 9 upon a plus 4 upon a minus 5 is equal to 1. Right, and its latest term is जो भी है. So 9 is like 9a minus 45 plus 4a is equal to 1. So just 13a equal to 46. Right, it's like a equal to what? Ooh, that's not good. Shit, 40. Okay, got it. Just 23. Okay, तो हो गई. Just 46 113 is the same. That's what this thing is. Okay, or what is a minus 5? A minus 5 is just. Ooh, it's just that. Shit. Minus 65. So, minus 65 is this guy, right? Samjha. It's like 2p square, which is like 2 times the mod, like it's just 19 upon 13. Hyperbola, I get it. Wait, it's latus rectum maybe, but ये कैसे latus rectum? I don't understand this. अपने को latus rectum चाहिए. We don't want the conic itself, right? Oh, you just want the okay. You just want got it. Just want basically what? Wait, ये तो काफी easy था यार. This doesn't make any sense. But इसमें x क्यों involve हो रहा है? You got a, but कुछ भी गड़बड़. I think तुम्हें इसके equation ही चाहिए, not the latus rectum of this, right? और latus rectum में तुम्हें कभी भी y का involvement नहीं मिलेगा because it's just x equal to a e, x equal to negative e. So, you know, yeah, that doesn't actually make any sense. Right? Basically, पता चलेगा ना कि x square is equal to 5, which I mean, this is not making any sense. Okay. ठीक है, just figure out what this should be. Okay, x square upon a is just 46 upon 13 x square upon 46, and then minus 13 y square upon 19 is equal to 1. That's what I'm getting actually. 3,2 से pass हो रहा है. This should be the thing 9 and 4 over there. Wait, you already know कि ये जो है ये 3,2 से pass होता है, right? So it is in fact the conic that you're talking about. ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है? वेट नहीं, अच्छा वो 2 हो रहा है. That's not 1. You want it to be 1, not 2. समझा? It is like this thing. Okay, that's the hyperbola that we got. Yeah, what we did is actually correct. This is this thing. So वो है नहीं इसमें. So I don't know what to do. Next question. 24. I don't know. मैं कुछ भी गलत वर्डिंग की है इसकी. बस मुझे समझ नहीं आया मुझे क्या इसमें देना था. लेटेस्ट डायग्राम का कोई भी right. It's not this thing for sure. That's not the lattice rectum. It's like x equal to something. Yeah, that would be the thing, right? Okay. So yeah, a ray emanting from the point negative 4 comma 0 is incident on the ellipse 9x square plus okay. So we at the point P with an abscissa 3. Equation of the reflected ray after. Okay, got it. What is the ellipse? Just x square upon 25. Of course, got it. Just x square upon 25. Okay. Emanting from this point is incident on the ellipse by the point P with abscissa 3. The x coordinate 3 basically, right? X coordinate 3 hai, and then y coordinate must be, I don't know, and it's from that point. Okay, x coordinate is 3 has like what, 9 upon 25 plus y square upon, okay, it's not 0, it's just 1 over there, sorry. So y square upon 9 is equal to 1, which means ki, oh shit, it's gonna have two different values, and I don't like this. Right. So 3 सॉल्व में दिया हुआ है जो भी will just have to do it anyway. Just have to figure out कि वो point क्या है and then you know कि जो reflected ray just passes through the focus because wait no that's not the thing. Just have a certain ellipse. एक तुम्हारा okay wait okay -4,0 is a focus so ये जहाँ पे like okay got it does pass through this focus and they just have to figure out वो क्या है. So when is x going to be equal to what? 3 right? Okay just put that as like 9.25 ये उधर गया. Y square upon 9 is equal to 16 upon 25. So y equal to 3 times 4 upon 5 which is like 12 upon 5. So just plus minus okay 12 upon 5 right? Well yeah. And then अपना चाहिए like 4,0 वाला point just yeah that's the thing. So you know क्या करते थे अपन yeah the determinant जो भी वो line होगा actually you want the line itself not but then that would be the thing right कोई जो भी point रहेगा that lies on this line just have this happening x y then you got 1 for that point right but yeah yeah you have to see that's the thing that's what I'm talking about okay यहाँ पे 1 आएगा यहाँ पे 1 आएगा यहाँ पे 1 आएगा then इस पे x coordinates of these guys like 4,0 over there and this guy just has 3 plus minus 12 upon 5 and this is equal to 0 you are saying got it which is what इसको simplify करते हैं just 15 अच्छा तो 3 तो हटा दो इस जगह पे यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा अच्छा वो 3 हटाया तो ये भी मरेगा ना that's not going to be good फिर से subtract करो just get this thing x y 1 4 0 1 just get -1 plus minus 12 upon 5 comma 0 अब you can multiply 5 I guess it's -5 over there it's like 5 plus minus 12 0 right to be 0 hot awesome अब क्या just subtract that over there so ठीक है ना x के लिए क्या just ये determinant which is this plus minus 12 or I should say minus plus because order preserve कर दिया minus plus 12 and फिर for y just have -y and then ये just -5 हो जाएगा okay then for this can just have plus minus 48 just that it's equal to 0 right okay मतलब ये क्या 12x minus 48 and plus minus 5y equal to 0 got it so minus 48 yes yeah so a and b next question यार ये डिटरमिनेंट मेथड्स काफी अच्छे हैं मतलब जरूरत नहीं पूरी लाइन ढूंढने की राइट आई मीन ओके सॉरी स्लोप वगैरह ढूंढने की जस्ट यू नो डिटरमिनेंट में डालो ऑपरेशंस करो रो के देन यू आर गुड टू गो 126 6 is if this okay where g is a rational algebraic function of x which is following maybe g f inverse of x this integration is just equal to f of g of x plus c okay whatever x was divided to just get 1 minus 1 upon x was like d of x plus 1 upon x upon just क्या जाएगा x square plus 1 upon x square plus 3 which is like x plus 1 upon x का square but plus 1 so just tan inverse of x plus 1 upon x आने वाला है which is like x square plus 1 upon x right so f is just tan inverse and g is x square plus 1 upon x so you want x square plus 1 upon x applied on f inverse is just tan itself like basically 1 plus tan square of x upon x which is sorry upon tan x which is like cot x plus tan x will be that which is like 1 upon sine x cosine x right which is 2 upon okay got it just -2 oh not negative why is that negative that's not negative yeah just this thing which looks correct just क्या करते हैं हाँ 2 cosec of 2x right which is a negative चलता है क्या I don't think so I don't think negative चलता है इसमें just tan inverse over there cot inverse of that like nah this is the thing next question -27 okay p be equal to this thing q equal to I guess अगर तुम f को replace करो by like cot inverse and something like cot of all of that okay wait नहीं right I guess that could have worked you can also write f as cot inverse of x upon x square plus 1 right then g can be thought of as this thing Oh shit, तो बहुत सारे अलग तरीके से अपन लिख सकते हैं. That's not going to be good. And then you just cot x upon cot square plus 1, which is like, oh no. ऊपर ये sin cosine आ जाएगा because yeah, just 1 upon 2 and then sine of 2x. Okay, that's very different than what I thought. Uh, oh no. इसको सच में एक्चुअली बहुत सारे तरीके से लिख पाओगे. That is not going to be good. What like square वगैरह किया इसको and what not. Oh shit. But what the rational function new anymore, so you can't actually do that. And this is it, right? This is actually the it. Okay, good. Next question. Net 7 is just let P be equal to this thing and Q be equal to that thing. The matrix PQ inverse is nilpotent, idempotent, and non-free. Okay, symmetric. PQ ka inverse, you are saying. Okay. 3 to wait, why does it look like it's just the end joint of this thing? Because राइट वो फ्लिप करते हो बट उसमें तुम नेगेटिव डालते हो, सो जस्ट वो नेगेटिव नहीं डाले तुमने, एंड समहाउ तुमने ये जो फ्लिप किए हुए थे उसमें तुमने नेगेटिव डाल दिया. ओके, इज लाइक q इज इक्वल टू जस्ट नेगेटिव एडजॉइंट ऑफ p, आई गेस, बिकॉज yes, that's the thing. Actually not negative. Yeah, it is negative, so determinant same hai although, but interesting, isn't that right? So q is just negative of that. Okay, but 2 by 2 matrix hai, so got it. मतलब p times q is like, yeah, okay. P times q is just, negative determinant of A. Because, yeah, negative determinant of A. Sorry, determinant of P, of course. Because that's what it will be. And then identity matrix. So, uska inverse is like, God, something's not going correct. Then uska inverse. I guess you can just do it like that. जो भी है ना, just PQ inverse is what? Just negative 1 upon determinant of P. And yeah, that's the, and then it's identity matrix, of course. इसमें को apply. इनको multiply करोगे, what you just get? You just get identity matrix itself, right? So this matrix is what? I mean, it's scalar matrix. So nilpotent, no, iska, no, okay, that's not going to happen. Unless the determinant is 0 ho gaya, which doesn't actually make sense because 36, negative 36 plus 35. No, it's not 0, so it's, idempotent, I square equal to I. No, in fact, because, yeah, it doesn't work. Involuntary. Symmetric, yes, so D is correct. Well, determinant of P is not like that actually. It's not 1. That's the unfortunate fact. Negative 36. Determinant of P में क्या है? Negative 36 and then plus 35. Oh wait, actually shit. It's the identity matrix. Then this is also the identity matrix. Okay. It's actually the inverse. Wow. Unexpected. So then this is idempotent, yes, and it's also involuntary. PCD. Next question. 128. If a circle passes through the point of intersection of the two of the coordinate axis with the lines px minus okay, जो भी value of p's, circle passes through the point of intersection of the coordinate axis with these lines. Wait. Coordinate axis with these lines. Circle passes through those points. Okay. 4 points आएंगे. We know that all of these 4 points must be the diameters because, yeah, the circle passes through that. No, that's not necessary. That's not necessary. You just have to have it passing through that, and then, yeah, wait a second. I mean, how can these be diameters? It's just not going to be working. No, that just won't work. You're gonna just figure out the points themselves, and then do the determinant. Like points क्या रहने वाले? Put x equal to 0 for this, like y equal to what? Just x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Then put, I don't know, y equal to, just like x equal to negative 1 upon p comma 0. And और क्या रहेगा? For this guy, just negative 3 comma 0. And then 0 comma 0 comma 3 upon 2, right? And okay, so the limit of x square plus y square, first of all, which is just 1 upon p square, 9, and 9 upon 4, where x, right, which is just 0, negative 1 upon p, -3 and 0, then y, which are just 1 0 0 3 upon 2, and finally just 1 1 1 1, right? This should be equal to 0, right? So to figure out the value of p, of course. So there are p square probably. Just get this thing 1 -p. It's got p square over there. Okay, nice. जैसे से तुम 4 को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, जस्ट 9, फिर यहाँ पे 6 आ जाएगा एंड यहाँ पे 4 आएगा, राइट? आई गेस या दिस इज द थिंग. सो स्टार्ट करो चीजें सबट्रैक्ट करना. ये एक मर गया, जस्ट गेट दिस थिंग. या इट्स जस्ट 1 0. Ooh, look at that video. Anyway, just 1 0 1 1 1 वो मरा. Actually, you know what? Probably don't subtract that right away because अपने को बाद में उसका यूज रहेगा. Then, oh, okay, 9 यहाँ पर है ना, so you can just subtract it like that. So it will be 0 at this point, like 0. Oof. Subtract here just 3. Subtract here just 6. That is just 3. It's equal to 0, right? Yeah, we just like a ninth, -3 0 1. It's like यहाँ पे just a 1 2 1. Awesome. Now you can use this to get rid of that, I guess. It's not making sense. Shit. फिर तो एक को अपने को 0 करना पड़ेगा somehow. But then how do you do it? Let's subtract that over there. I mean, that's going on, but कुछ उससे होगा थोड़ी ना. Yeah, that should help. Unless of course, okay, इसमें 3 times of this तुम add कर सकते हो, right? That's one thing you can do. Just यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 6 आएगा, यहाँ पे 4 आएगा. Okay, and then you can just subtract that from there. So probably वो काम कर सकता है, right? Okay, ये क्या हो जाएगा? Just this thing is 9 0 6 and 4 यहाँ पे, right? That was the thing. 3 times of that, just वो मरा is just 6 वहाँ पे, and then this is just 3 वहाँ पे, just 4. Okay, yeah, that's awesome. फिर यहाँ पे 4 times of वो करने से you get like 5 5 2 5 2 0, right? Well, yeah, ये तो अच्छा है. अब क्या? I guess this is enough, right? Just start figuring things out. Like 1 -p 0 p square. अरे यार, ये भी गंदे वाले डिटरमिनेंट्स क्यों है? Just 1 0 1 1, then you have this thing 5 0 2 0, then 0 1 2 1, जो भी है. Still not going good, huh? Yeah, probably इसको subtract करना पड़ेगा अपने को वहाँ पे, and then get that thing done or something. वो 0 हो जाएगा, just -3 हो जाएगा. ये बहुत लंबा नहीं हो रहा है. This is not going good. अब क्या? Okay, just start करो यार, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना. Just क्या -p times a determinant, which is what? Just 1 5 0 1 2 2. Actually, negative positive हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, just positive p. Okay, positive p times a determinant. Just 1 5 0 1 2 2 1 0 1. Then negative p square times your determinant, which is not okay. ये नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, राइट? सो जस्ट 1 आएगा इसमें. जस्ट 1 टाइम्स योर डिटरमिनेंट बचा हो जाएगा, which is okay, just 1 1 5 0 1 2, and then p squared. Shit. Okay, 1 and 0. It's equal to 0, right? That's what you're saying. Okay, still not good, but जो भी है, कुछ नहीं बैठा रही है. Okay, स्टूडेंट का क्या करेगा मैंने? Yeah, whatever. Just practice it direct. Just यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा, पे -1. Hopefully that will be something. यहाँ पे 0 आ गया. This is just -1 over there. And then you can get rid of this whole thing, just this thing. So you can just p times of 2 minus 7, so 7p. And then ये चीज के बारे में क्या कर सकते तुम? Think that is 0 over there. Where's going to this one? I mean, okay, इसको use करके तुम can like 0, then just 3, right? Yeah. Okay. Similarly to इसमें can get rid of that, I guess. It's just 0, -2, and then just use these things. यहाँ पे just like positive, negative, positive 1 ये minor, which is just 1p squared, 3 -2, which is like 7p, फिर -2 -3p square equal to 0. Basically is 3p square minus 7p plus 2 equal to 0. कोई obvious solution इसका I don't know, p equal to 2 or something, just 12 plus 2 is 14. Oh yeah, that is a solution. So p equal to 2, right? So a equal to 2 हो सकती है. What other things? इसका derivative क्या होगा? Just okay, that's negative. That won't work. Oof. Well, it's just a quadratic, right? Yeah. Who am I kidding? The solve is like 3p squared minus 6p minus p plus 2 equal to 0. So like p minus 2 common निकालो, just 3p minus 1. So either p equal to 2 or 1 upon 3, which is there, right? So D and A. Next question. 129. वनडरिंग कि क्या अगर मैं डिटरमिनेंट मेथड नहीं करता तो ज़्यादा इजी होता, मे बी नहीं, शायद से अलग होता, राइट? वनडरिंग तो अपने को स्लोप्स अगर निकालना है, जस्ट लॉट ऑफ हैसल, सो नो नीड फॉर दैट. ओके, so the following is correct. 5x plus 4xy plus y squared equal to 1 and this thing. The following is correct. क्या है? Z square equal to x squared plus y squared. X is y, okay, सब बड़े हैं. Plus y squared 1. I've seen this somewhere, I don't know. It's 1 or something, right? I think मैं समझ रहा हूँ क्या करना है अपने को, but still it's kind of not good. Oof. Okay. Lagrange multiply method, of course. और कोई तरीका है नहीं. So just have to do that. These are positive. That's another problematic thing because ठीक है ना, we'll just try to do it. What if x is not bigger than 7? Like, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, right? Does it actually make a difference? I don't think so. Right? So like whenever x is 0, तुम अपने आप y को ढूंढ पाओगे. So then that's not a big deal, right? तो अपने पास में क्या चांसेस रहेंगे or something like that. Okay, Lagrange multiply methods. Okay, or you can just use the thing. Yeah, okay, so just right. Okay. That is just it's just the yeah r value, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, I know. So it can we'll just put we'll just do x is equal to r cosine theta, y equal to r sine theta, and then ये चीज क्या होगी? Just r. Okay, got it. Z square is just equal to what? 1 upon, right? I mean that's the thing, of course. It's like 5 cosine square theta plus 4 sine cosine plus sine plus what? Plus sine square theta, right? Well, yeah, which is just 1 upon 1 plus 4 cosine square theta plus 4 plus sine cosine, and then theta belongs to 0 to pi upon 2, of course. You can write it like this thing: 1 upon 1 plus 2 cosine of 2 theta plus 2 sine of 2 theta, where 2 theta belongs to 0 to pi. So then this is like 1 upon 3 plus 2 square root of 2 sine of 2 theta plus pi upon 4. Theta belongs to 0 to pi upon, okay. So 2 theta plus pi upon 4 belongs to pi upon 4 to कहाँ पे pi plus pi upon 4. So throughout that, yeah. So अपनी maximum value चाहिए. It's just when this is like the minimum. So wait a second. कहाँ से कहा जा रहा है? pi upon 4 से till this point, right? You just want sine. Okay, sine को negative करना पड़ेगा अपने को, which means कि यहाँ पे I guess, yeah, to make this negative. So just put theta as pi point. It's like pi plus that is negative sine of that is 1. Yeah, so the minimum value is 1. Wait, that's the maximum value, isn't it? Okay, what's the minimum value? Minimum value is जब ये this is at the maximum, which is like ये तो of course 1 हो ही सकता है ना. That's in the range. That works. Yeah, I guess it does. So yes, it's just what 1 upon 3 plus 2 sort of 2. So minimum value is just 1. Maximum value is maximum value is 1. Minimum value is this thing 1 upon 3 plus 2 sort of 2 for z square, of course. Right, so like z equal to what square root of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sort of, which is, I think it's doable, not that hard, right? Because 3 is like, yeah, 2 plus 1, and this is just, yeah, just 1 upon square root of 2 plus 1. It's like square root 2 minus 1, basically. So maximum value is, wait, no, this is not a maximum, this is minimum value. So A is correct. और क्या है? That is increasing, okay, decreasing, जो भी है. For x is less than or equal to this guy. Shit. अब ये मैं कैसे करूँगा? Okay, so z is increasing in the what range? इस range में z is like sin theta is actually increasing, so that is actually decreasing. इस range में z is decreasing, इस range में z is increasing. So, right. Remember theta belongs to what? 0 to at this point, e pi upon 2 is just 2 theta equal to what? That's not going to work. Oof, okay, it's like pi upon 4. Okay, theta equal to pi upon 8. So 0 to pi upon 8 increasing, and then उसके बाद में it's just, yeah. So x like cosine theta is just shit. R itself is increasing, right? Oh, that's kind of bad. That's really just bad. You want the function of, oh no, oh no, not going good, not going good. It's like you want y to be substituted as a function of x, it seems. Shit, 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 shit. Okay, अलग तरह से करना पड़ेगा. We just have to do it the other way. अपने को with respect to x लिखना है ना सब कुछ. Okay. So y positive एक चीज होगी, whatever. It's like y is a function of x, and then think of y as a function of x, and what you want is like dz upon dx, or like this. So dz square upon dx, whatever. It's like 2x plus 2y y dash, and then y dash you just have to figure out something like वहाँ पे 2 हर जगह पे आने वाला है, right? Okay, जो भी है. It's like 10x x dash. Okay, x dash, you look this thing, plus 4y plus 4x y dash plus 2y y dash is equal to 0. So just 5x plus 2y plus 2x plus y times y dash equal to 0. So just y dash is just this thing, right? It's like 2x plus 2y times y dash is what? The negative y, right? 5 plus 2y plus plus y. So the slope रहेगा to x. So x is just this thing, which is, yeah, I just have to figure it out. It's just 2 common ले लो, x minus y times all of this, like 2x square plus xy minus 5xy minus 2y square upon 2x plus y, right? This is positive anyway, so अपने को just ये जो है वो positive चाहिए, so that that is increasing, right? So ये क्या है? It's just 2x square minus 4xy minus 2y square, that must be increasing. This should be positive, right? Yeah, this should be positive. Okay, reduce this, like x square minus 2xy minus y square should be positive. But then remember, you can actually shoot some stuff over there. That was the thing, right? Oh, that was the thing for sure. Yeah, yeah, this is not helping. Okay, think. So just substitute that over there, right? This has to be positive. Then like you can definitely think of it like that. But then, oh, we want del dz upon x, right? Just put cosine theta and stuff, right? I guess that will just work out. Nah, that's not going to work out. We'll just have to do that. अपने को, right? We'll just have to do that. In fact, shit, shit, shit. I don't like this. I don't get it. Okay, think of x as a function of y. Okay, no, think of y as a function of x over here, right? Yes. Then you want this to be positive. So basically what you want is like 2xy plus y square is less than or equal to, just less than x square. But then y is a function of x versus y square, so you just put that over there or something like that. Not helpful. What do you even do? I guess just substitute as cosine theta and whatnot, right? Yeah. थीटा में हम लोग को रेंज मिल जाएगी such that dz upon dx is actually positive. So c square minus 2 sc minus s square must be positive, which means that, hey, I've seen this somewhere. Oh, yeah, okay, like cosine of 2 theta is bigger than sine of 2 theta. So like tan of 2 theta is less than 1. Well, 2 theta is less than pi upon 4 because that's 0 to pi upon. Yeah. Oh, it can also be just right. So suppose sine theta negative. Okay, that doesn't actually help because ये negative होगा, right? You're already assuming कि ये positive है. And then, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, got it. मतलब कि this has to be the range. So theta is less than pi upon 8 anyway, right? Theta is less than pi upon 8. So x के बारे में क्या हो रहा है, right? Yeah, okay. मतलब throughout this, you have this happening, which means like these said on the x is in fact like positive. So yeah, that's all we need, right? Okay. So then for x is not equal to what? Okay, we'll just do this. Theta equal to pi upon 8, which means the x square is like cosine of part. No, 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 that's not going to help. Shit. Okay. Just cosine pi upon 8 over there or something like that, right? Okay, this is not helpful. You can put y as tan of this thing, so tan of pi upon 8. Yeah, because it's x square times 5 plus 4 tan of theta plus y square is like tan square of theta equal to 1. So like x square is just 1 upon e sub. Right, so as theta increases, each भी अपने आप increase करने वाली है, right? Because yes, so ये decrease होगा in fact, which means x square is maximum at theta equal to 0, which is like 1 upon 5, right? That's when this should be the maximum, I guess so. So y 0 हो जाएगा, got it. And minimum कब होगा when theta is like this? Just yeah. Well, in that case, you just know कि x square is oh yeah, okay. Different. Okay, so just 1 upon 5 plus tan square, like okay, just tan square of 5 upon 8, so that's kind of not good. You know, just have to figure it out in that case. So yeah, always writing a better way or something. That's square part. I mean, we just did the thing. क्या था अपना? What was the thing? Yeah, so you just have this thing, right? That cosine square theta minus sine square theta equal to 2 sine cosine, right? So like tan of 2 theta is equal to 1 in that case. That's pretty obvious. So just probably use that somehow. Yeah, just 2t upon minus t squared equal to 1. अपना equation क्या था ऐसे? What did we get actually? Right, so this is the thing. मतलब कि just t square minus 1 plus 2t. So t square plus 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. मतलब t square plus 2t equal to 1. T square equal to 1 minus 2t. I guess you can use that somehow. Yeah, awesome. That is pretty awesome, huh? So t square is just 1 minus 2t. You can just use. So 1 upon 5 plus 1 is like 6 minus so it's like plus 2t over there. Upon 2 times of 3 plus t. And I just try to figure out what t is. So minus b just minus 2 plus 1. Well, like this thing, t plus 1 ka square is equal to 2. So t equal to what square 2 minus 1, I guess, because pi upon it. So yeah, it works. Just what 1 upon 2 times of 3 plus, okay, this thing, like 2 plus square root of 2. मतलब कि क्या? This is just 1 upon 2 square root of 2. Yeah, finish square root of plus square root of 2 minus 1. Yeah. That's the thing. So just, you know, it's the square root of, yeah, that. Right? यहाँ पे प्लस 1 आना चाहिए था. Wait, okay. माइनस 1 चाहिए. यहाँ पे प्लस 1 कैसे आ रहा है? Did I mess up somewhere? Tan value just. God. It's like got to be this word minus 1. Did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? It's 2t in that case. This is so messed up. Should square to minus 1. उन लोगों ने square to plus 1 डाला for some reason. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. I'm assuming यहाँ पे square to minus 1 था. Right? Okay. In that case, right, like x is less than that because ये नहीं, this is the minimum value, so actually x should be bigger than this, right? Yeah, so x is bigger than that. Okay, got it. So D is correct. Next question. I know correct नहीं actually यहाँ पे -1 चाहिए, but then whatever. 130. 130 is the differential equation of curve passing through this. Okay. Okay. The coordinate of the y coordinate of the point on the x on the curve with x coordinate 1 is right. Got it. X minus y. Uh, right. X minus y. तो यहाँ पे dx and minus x and then dy. Homogeneous, not exactly. X square dx. Why did I do this thing? X square dx plus y square dy is equal to x d. Okay, y dx plus y. That is like d times x y, right? Yeah. We can just yeah, like x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy plus some kind of constant. That explains it. Okay, so it passes to 0 comma negative 1. So when x is 0, it's just negative 1. What is like negative 1 is equal to तो गया है c, so c is equal to negative 1, which means like basically what x cube plus y cube plus 1 minus 3xy is equal to 0. मतलब कि क्या either x equal to y or equal to 1 or x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, right? So yeah, so yeah, that looks correct. Okay, and it passes to this thing, so this cannot be the case. मतलब कि ये है right. Coordinate of the point on curve with x coordinate 1 is 2 plus. But x coordinate 1, wait, I think ये भी काम कर सकता है. It's like 1 comma 1 is one thing that could work. Yeah, 1 comma 1 is working, and as well as okay, x coordinate 1 is just yeah, y equal to negative 2 works and 1 works, so the end. अजीब नहीं, ये एक रैंडम पॉइंट जो कि मोस्ट लाइकली इस टेरिटरी में नहीं होना चाहिए था वो भी है यहाँ पे फॉर सम रीजन. I don't know. Next question. You know what? No, we should stop here. So I'll see you guys next video. Bye.